Microwave ovens are great and have added some value to our culture. Moreover, there are some unintended consequences that have resulted from the use of microwave ovens. We live in a culture where people expect fast, sometimes immediate results, and microwave ovens may be the evidence of this cultural dynamic. Have you ever caught yourself standing in front of a microwave oven telling it to hurry up? We want things, and we want things them now, right now. This mentally spills into our other areas of our life. We want a lot of things much more quicker in life, and we just can't wait for God's time or plan. Psalms 27 verses 14 reads, "Wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord." Psalms 40 verses 1 reads, "I waited patiently for the Lord to help me, and He turned to me and heard my cry." Let's learn to wait patiently on the Lord. Don't lose heart when it takes time. Always remember, the Lord is always on time. You are not forgotten. May God bless you.